Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I will show you how to add a new user to VerifyiQ. After you log in, you will be here on the main Clients tab. Please go one to the right and click on the Manager and Associates tab. Then go further to the right and click on the green Invite Team Member button. Then enter the user's name. If you plan on using the API integration, please enter the employee's code. Then enter their email address. Then select their user type. Just as a reminder, there are three types: admin, associate, and manager. Admins administer the software. Associates start the review. This could also be called a bookkeeper. And then manager or reviewers complete the reviews. Today, we're going to add an associate. If you know the clients that this person will be working upon, you can add them now by clicking the drop down and selecting the clients from the list. And then once you have done all that, please click Save. Then you can search for the user and find them easily. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel for further updates. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section below, and we will answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.